Hello, I'm in McDonald's because I'm hungry. I haven't had anything today. I had some coffee and I had some Red Bull. And it's been a long time since I've been here at McDonald's in Harlan. And they have a really good restaurant. It's the best McDonald's that I've been to. And I've been a lot of places. So yeah, I ordered a double quarter pounder with cheese and fries and a Coke Zero. And I did table service on my phone, so let's see what we get. So here it is. There's my Coke Zero. There's my fries, and oh my gosh, these are crispy. Look at that. I love a crispy fry. Okay, let's take a look at my double quarter pounder with cheese. Beautiful. Now, I didn't order anything but pickles and mayonnaise on it because, you know, I'm not a rabbit. So, okay, there that is. Looks very good. So I'm gonna try it. Yeah, listen to me say try it like I've never tried it before, but okay. Anyway, yeah, the fries. Good burger. Oh my god, this burger is good. Look at that. Awesome. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, yes. Very good. This is awesome. Like I said, I love Harlan McDonald's. Love it, love it, love it. It's the best McDonald's I've ever been to. So yes, this is the great McDonald's. Did you know, I think it was last year at prom, this kid brought his prom date here and they had set up a little table with a checkered tablecloth and they had little champagne glasses drinking Sprite. And it was so cute. Yeah. Like I said, this is the best McDonald's that I've had. So I've had my dinner now, and I'm good to go. Tomorrow is the fall frolic, and I'm gonna have to start early because Way has to be at work at 4 a.m. So that means getting up at least by 3, no later, and then I have to be over in Whitesburg for my radio show until noon. Then I'm going to pick Way up from work, come home for about 2 minutes, go straight back up there to the Fall Frolic and help set up and all that. Anyway, but let me tell you a little something that happened about this McDonald's out here. There was a girl, I'm not going to tell her name because well, yes, actually I'm going to tell her first name. Her first name was Ashley, and she got biscuits and gravy there one morning, and she swore up and down that she found a tooth in her biscuits and gravy. Okay, now the picture that she posted on Facebook was not a tooth. It was like a little piece of gristle. You could tell that. And she swore up and down that it was a tooth and that one of the workers had done that on purpose. And it was just, I mean, she was making this great big deal out of it. And so, okay. I am the type of person who gets involved. When I see somebody, you know, struggling to make it, especially in life or at work or having a hard time, I get involved when something like this comes up. So I had a friend of mine make 2 shirts that said, "Hey Ashley, brush your tooth," with a big picture of a tooth on it. Okay, well her uncle, I think it was her uncle, I don't know, starts messaging me on Facebook, threatening me and everything else, trying to say that he knows where I worked, that I work at the BP station that's right across from the hospital. And I'm like, what in the world because I don't work there. And I'm like, no clue. And then he tries to say that I work at the nursing home. And I'm like, no, I do not work at a nursing home. Anyway, so he's threatening me and all this stuff. And he's like, if you don't stop it. And I'm like, stop what? I had 2 shirts made for this girl so she could wear them. And your little niece over here is, niece or whatever she was, is, you know, tried to get this girl fired, said that she was suing and that she was going to have millions of dollars and all this stuff, and that she had a dentist check it out and said it actually was a tooth. Well, this has been like a year ago, and of course nothing has come out of it, because it wasn't a tooth. It was a little piece of gristle, and you know, you can't help that. The gravy comes prepackaged and stuff, and it's just, yeah, it has sausage in it, and of course you're going to get little pieces of gristle or something like that in sausage. So yes, it wasn't a tooth. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go to bed. I'm not sleepy, but I'm going to try to get some sleep for tomorrow, and I will be recording at the Fall Frolic. So, yes, everybody, I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you later. Bye.